Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Mudflap trucking services app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Mudflap is a trucking-focused savings platform that helps drivers and small fleets access discounted fuel prices at independent truck stops across the country. Instead of traditional fuel cards, Mudflap works through a simple digital payment system inside the app, letting drivers pay instantly at participating stops without fees, credit checks, or long approval processes. It is available on both iOS and Android and is widely used for reducing fuel expenses on the road. The app's main feature is its real-time fuel discount network. Drivers can search nearby fuel stations, compare prices, and redeem instant discounts directly through their Mudflap code at checkout. Mudflap also provides digital receipts, spending history, and streamlined billing to help drivers track costs more efficiently. Because it partners with hundreds of independent fuel stops, it often offers competitive discounts without requiring major corporate accounts. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the transparency of pricing, the ease of payment, and how quickly they can save at the pump. Independent truck stops that accept Mudflap generally receive positive feedback for being convenient and driver-friendly. Small carriers also value that Mudflap doesn't involve credit checks, minimum volume requirements, or surprise fees. However, there are some drawbacks. The network does not include major truck stop chains, so route coverage may vary depending on region. Some users mention that discounts can fluctuate and are sometimes lower than expected in certain areas. Mudflap also depends on internet connectivity for generating codes and payment processing, which can be a limitation in low signal zones. In summary, the Mudflap app may be worth using if you want easy, no-fee access to fuel discounts, simple payments, and reliable savings at independent truck stops. However, if you prefer using major national chains or need rewards and amenities from those locations, Mudflap might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.